Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning and welcome back to your class.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta, say.
ma'am, can I be the leader of my group?
Now, beta, you people are more interested in becoming leaders or you are interested in doing the project? It's a teamwork.
Because leader also decided all the things.
So you want to take decisions for your team.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
And
tell
that would
Steph and Ustav, what all will you decide? Just tell.
Ma'am, we will make a. Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
ma'am, I think
Sir, you
Okay,
speak, ma'am is saying this.
I'm saying speak one by one.
Ma'am, we can. Ma'am,
Good morning, ma'am.
team can make a colorful background which can make the project very beautiful, and we can make the sound background sound, ma'am, etc.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I
Okay,
think
children, I'm just stopping my video for a minute because I have to change the place where I'm sitting. Okay? You keep speaking, I'm listening to you. I'll just pick my laptop and go somewhere else.
ma'am, I cannot tell because ma'am all will hear me about my project. Ma'am, I do not want to tell anyone about my project. I want to tell only you.
Ma'am, what are you speaking?
My project is
In that case, Saf, what you can do, you can write in the chat box privately and let me know your plans.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. I'll wait for you. And till then, Pranaya, Katyal, Riddhi Singh, Lakshita, everybody think that what you are going to do. Okay? Let's just speak about this project.
Ma'am, we will get marks for this.
Yes, of course. Your project will be chosen for a big thing. Now everybody think for a minute. And then,
Ma'am, I will tell you after the class.
okay, you will tell me after the class. All right, students. So I'll just go and get the attendance register once again. Just wait for me. I'll be back in a minute.
सर तुमने डिसाइड किया तुम्हारी टीम में कौन कौन होगा
पहले से।
हाँ मैं तो सबसे
क्या सब इंटेलिजेंट बच्चे जो एडिटिंग में बहुत अच्छे।
हाँ सब बहुत अच्छे हैं। कुशाक को मुझे लेना है अपनी टीम में।
मैं लूंगा उसको।
कुशाक को तो मैं लूंगा। वो मेरे पास ज्यादा देखते किसके पास आएगा वो।
ठीक है।
और प्रसून
को ले लेना।
मैं प्रसून के कॉल नहीं उठाता।
Yes. Now children, speak. What all have you thought about? Okay, who is going to do what? Did you think about it? Who is going to do what?
My team can make project and I will edit the video.
You will edit the videos, but you will have to do something.
No, I will
you also have to do something. Now, what topic have you chosen?
I have chosen the traditional and the dancing.
Okay, ma'am, culture.
Culture. You will speak about the culture. Yes. Yes, Anshuman, say.
Ma'am, I will speak on the cities of Punjab.
Very nice. Very nice. Very good idea, Anshuman. And you can collect various pictures, different pictures of various cities. That's a wonderful idea, Anshuman. Then,
ma'am, if I know who is in my team, in my group, so I will tell what he have to do.
Okay. Now let's decide our teams. Roll number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Roll number 1. Roll
I
number
want
1
to
to
start.
6. 1 to 6. Group number 1. Then
Yes,
roll
ma'am.
number 7 to 12.
Ma'am.
7, 8, 9,
Yes,
10,
ma'am.
11, 12. Group number 2. Because
Yes,
there are
ma'am.
students who are not attending the classes also, right? I have always seen in your class, out of 24 students, only 17 or 18 students are there who actively participate in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, we have to make others also active in the class, but we'll decide our groups like that.
Ma'am, if the roll number wise, we will take the Saf and I will be in same group.
Really?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
What are your roll
Ma'am,
numbers?
So, ma'am, who will be the leader?
I'm 22.
And what is your roll number?
I'm second last.
Oh,
Ma'am, 23.
that's a problem. Okay, I'll take your class list and I'll decide. I'll decide the groups, okay? I'll ask for your class list from Sangeeta ma'am and then we'll decide.
Ma'am,
Okay,
in
ma'am.
one group there can be 2 leaders also because there are 6 kids in one
But
group.
beta, we need these students in all the groups, na? The one who can blend the videos and all. Because in each group there has to be one student who will do this work.
Ma'am, we can ask the children in which group they want to go.
No, beta, it's not like that they want to go. It should be absolutely unbiased. I will assign your groups. Okay, you will not decide.
Okay,
Students will not decide. Otherwise,
Okay,
if
ma'am.
I give it to you, I keep it on you, then you will obviously want to go with your friends. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody will choose his or her friends. Yes, Pranaya?
Ma'am, I can also do editing because I also have my own YouTube channel.
Very nice. Very good. You
Ma'am, I
children
can also do
you
editing.
children have become so smart in the lockdown. Huh? Learned so many new things.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice.
Ma'am, I can make videos in the YouTube, but I don't. Ma'am, I don't like.
You don't like to make videos.
Ma'am,
Yes, say beta.
Ma'am, because nobody likes it.
ma'am, I know
Yes,
how to
say.
join 2 videos and how to make a custom video.
You know it, how to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. That's very good.
Can
Now,
be
children,
done by
which? Yes. Anybody wants to say anything else?
Ma'am, because everyone can go to Google and search how to do this and how to do this. But ma'am, I know it from
Already,
because
yes. Those who don't know can also learn through Google. It is not anything difficult nowadays.
Yes,
Because
ma'am,
everything
that's why
is there on Google on YouTube. You can take tutorials from YouTube for everything.
Yes, ma'am, that's why I
All right.
bring in.
Let me take your names out and see who all are present. If I don't call out your name, then please let me know. Utsav Gangwar, Anshuman Gangwar, Saif Ali, Pranaya Katyal, Varin, Devarya, Jayesh, Iram Naz, Lakshita, Riddhi Singh, Prasoon Gangwar, Agrim. Anybody else?
Ma'am, you are not take my name, Ashwin.
Ma'am, you will not take my name.
Ma'am, you not take my name, Anshuman Gangwar.
I have taken your name. Anshuman Gangwar, I have written on second number. After Utsav, it's Anshuman Gangwar. And who else? Riddhi Singh, I have taken. Lakshita Devarya, I have taken your name. I have written it on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth number. Your name is on the sixth number. So that's all.
Ma'am, you are not taking my name.
Whose name? Tell me your name.
Ma'am, Ashwik Agarwal.
Beta, I have written your name now. I didn't take it earlier, but now I have written. I missed your name.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now see, out of 24 students, again we have only 14 students. the other 10 are taking rest at.
You will not take my name, Kushagra Agarwal.
Kushagra, I didn't take your name, but now I have written it. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, so you people are ready with your GK books now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very nice. On which, till where have you done, children?
And we have to do 58, page number 58.
Page number 58.
Ma'am, Shalini ma'am has done first question and second question. Third question is left in picture frame.
Page
Answer
number
1.
58. Answer the following questions by looking at the figure. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the sum of the numbers in the circle but not in any other shape? Okay.
Ma'am, 23. Ma'am, 23.
23, sure? Sure.
Yes, ma'am, sure, 23.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice.
Sure.
23.
Because they have seen the answer from the back.
Shalini ma'am has done question, ma'am. First and second question we have done.
What is the sum of, okay, the second question is, what is the sum of the numbers common to only the circle and the square and not to any other shape? What is the answer?
And 37. Yes,
37. Did you check the answer?
And 37.
Did you check the answer at the back?
No,
Ma'am, at the back it is written 10.
I didn't understand, beta. What are you saying?
Ma'am, at the back it is written 10.
Use my earphone.
So they are saying the sum of the numbers common only to the circle and the square, not to any other shape.
Can it be 10? We calculated it. Ma'am,
Yes. Picture frame, page number 58. Where is the answer given? On which page are the answers given?
Ma'am, on the last.
No, tell me the page number where the answers of this chapter are given.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
72.
last page.
Last page number
Last page 72.
is chapter 2 picture frame.
Problem solving skills.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Chapter 2 picture frame. Okay. So what is the second one? What is the sum of this? B. The answer to B is 10. Children, can you understand why it is given 10?
no, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am asked from this question for me, so ma'am, I calculated it. Then I got, ma'am, when we plus the square, that numbers are 644. When we plus them, we got 40. Then the numbers in circle is, ma'am, 7934. So ma'am, 7934, when we plus all of them, the answer is 23. And we plus 40, then we got 39.
Okay. Now they say, what is the sum of the numbers common? Which are the numbers that are common? Common means same. The same numbers to only the circle and the square, not to any other shape. What are the common numbers? Yes, tell.
Ma'am, I got the answer. Ma'am, it's written circle and square.
Ma'am, 6 and 4.
5.
Why 6 and 4?
10.
Ma'am, 3.
See,
See the picture, the circle join, and there the number are 2, 3, 5. Then when we plus all this number, then we get 10. So ma'am, this would be the answer.
yes. Okay. Very nice. Now the numbers that are common to square and the circle. Only 2, 3 are 5 are falling under the square also and the circle also. So these are the numbers that are common in both the shapes. Did you get it now? They are asking
Yes,
what is the sum of the numbers common only to the circle and the square and not to any other shape.
Yes, ma'am.
So what are these numbers? These numbers are in square also and in circle also. But no other shape should be included. So what are those numbers? 2, 3 and 5.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see. Let's check the answer at
Yes,
the
ma'am.
back. What is the answer? 10.
10.
10.
10.
Okay. Then we have what is the sum of the numbers common to the circle and the rectangle but not to any other shape. Now, circle and rectangle. Which two numbers are falling?
Ma'am, 7 and 5.
7 and 5.
Yes,
7 and 5.
7 and 5 are falling under rectangle and circle both. So we have the
Ma'am,
answer
we
is
got 12.
Ma'am, 12.
very nice. The answer is 12. Then let's look at the second figure. Answer the following questions. Now there are different colors given children, and to each color they have assigned different numbers. Now this is going to be a very interesting activity. You should keep a rough copy and your pencil in your hands because you are going to solve it in a rough copy. Now who's going to read out the first one?
Which row consists of all odd numbers?
Which row consists of all the odd numbers? Read the numbers carefully. And nobody will check answers at the back.
And the answer is yellow. Ma'am, yellow.
Ma'am, yellow.
Let's see. Let's check if it's yellow. Yellow.
Ma'am, yellow.
Yes. Rest all other colors have got even numbers also, but it is only the yellow row that has odd numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Which row has only even numbers?
Ma'am, pink.
No,
Green.
not pink.
Ma'am, green. Ma'am, green.
Yes,
Ma'am,
very
pink,
nice.
pink, pink.
Beta,
Ma'am,
pink has
green.
got number 11, number 3. The first number is 3 in pink row.
Ma'am, green.
Yes, green is the correct answer. Then the next one.
Ma'am, how can be it's green?
Because green has got all even numbers. Is there any odd number in green row?
Ma'am, but it is showing which row has only one even number.
Oh, sorry. What am I reading? Very nice, Utsav. Great. Which row has only one even number? That's pink.
Yes.
Very good. Thank you, Utsav, for making the correction.
Thank you.
It is the pink row. Then we have which row has the most even numbers above 23?
Green.
Ma'am, green. Green. Ma'am, green. Ma'am, green.
Which row has the most even numbers above 23?
I'm green.
Ma'am, green.
Sure, it's green?
Ma'am, because all numbers are above 23, leaving 18 and 12.
Very nice.
And all
60 is
Are
even,
even
40
numbers.
Yes.
is even,
It's green.
90 is even.
Then what will you get if you add all the even numbers in row blue? Come on.
22. Ma'am, 22.
You have already added, sir.
Ma'am, 42.
You have already made the addition.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 32.
Yes, it's 32.
Ma'am, yes.
Ma'am, it's
See from the
32.
back.
No,
Okay.
I have
Even
done
if
already.
okay, today you can see from the back, but what about your exams? What will you do? You'll have to calculate.
Ma'am, I have done ma'am, I have done already.
Okay, but you have done it yourselves, or did you check from the back?
Ma'am, yours, ma'am,
I
myself.
said very good.
Yes.
Okay, wonderful words. Now let's come on to the wonderful words. Page number 59. This is an interesting one.
Yes, ma'am.
What is it? The first one is
Advice.
guidance. So what is the answer?
Advice. Advice.
Advice. Some type of advice is given to you, that is the guidance given to you. So it's advice. Very nice, children. Then a drink. It's a simple one.
Coffee.
Coffee.
Ma'am, coffee. Ma'am, coffee.
Group
Ma'am,
song.
coffee.
Group song.
Anthem.
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 A-N-T-H-E-M. Anthem. Iram Naz, speak something. Your microphone is again gone. Beta, it's not working.
And what is the anthem called?
Beta, it's anthem. A-N-T-H-E-M. Yes? Iram, just take your earphones out. Take your earphones out. Disconnect your earphones from your device. Take them out even from the device. Now speak something. Try to speak something, Iram. No, beta, your microphone is again not working.
Ma'am, I think her sound is very low.
Connect your earphones again to the device. Now speak.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, now I can hear you. Okay, next. Dash a bird.
Ma'am, parrot.
Then,
Ma'am, parrot.
a color of the rainbow.
Violet.
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 Good. A sport. Which sport are they talking about?
Hockey.
Very nice. Then, floor covering.
Carpet.
Ma'am, carpet.
Carpet.
Ma'am,
And a small box.
Cartoon.
Carton. C-A-R-T-O-N. Children, it was such a simple one. It was for class 2. Not your level. It is just not your level. Okay, the next one is very interesting. The next exercise is very interesting. The word logic.
Ma'am, it's very interesting.
But children, you already have searched, looked for answers from the back. So there is no brain work going on. There is just copy pasted the answers and then you are answering. That is why we are losing interest. We are being able to finish it off so soon. How many of you have already ticked the correct answers?
Ma'am, I do not.
Okay. Who else? Pranaya has ticked the correct answers. Who else has ticked already? Tell me. Those who have ticked the answers, please close your books. Pranaya, close your book and show it to me. Okay. Utsav, you also have marked all the answers of this one? You have marked?
Ma'am, but this one I have copied.
Yes, so just close your book. Close your book and show it to me. Good. If anybody else has marked, beta, please close your book so that we can enjoy this session. When you already speak the copied answers, we don't enjoy because we don't use our brain.
I don't copy.
Okay. So the first sentence I will read out for all of you. Pranaya and Utsav, don't think that your book is not open, so you don't know the question. I'll read out the question and also all the options. Okay? The first question is, which of these is the opposite of cruel? Kind. Opposite of cruel. Very good. Okay.
Kind.
You want to listen to the other options as well?
No, ma'am, it's
No?
kind.
So answer. So answer lock कर दिया जाए?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Freeze कर दे?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Freeze कर दिया. Kind is the correct answer. Which of these is closest in meaning to the word decay? Decay. What is the word? D-E-C-A-Y. Decay means when you have, what do you have? You have a tooth decay, when it gets rotten or something gets rotten, decayed, like the dead animals. Get which of these is closest in meaning? Not opposite, beta. Closest to the word decay. Beta, Iram, let me speak the options. All of you keep yourselves on mute. The options are rust, fresh, decompose, and disappoint. Lock कर दिया जाए? आपका जवाब लॉक किया जाए? All of you? Okay, so you get 20,000 for sahi jawab. Okay. Then we have proverbially, how many lives does a cat have? 6 lives, 7 lives, 8 lives, or 9 lives? What is What is the proverb telling?
Ma'am, 9.
Beta, what is the proverb? Tell me that. How do you know a cat has got 9 lives? And what does the proverb mean? A cat has 9 lives. I didn't know it. I just Googled it. I didn't know a cat has 9 lives, so I just Googled it. But this may be where the myth, the cats have 9 lives, came from. But the proverb is not meant in seriousness. Okay, this proverb is not meant in seriousness. So now after 20,000, your amount gets doubled up to 40,000. You people get 40,000. Okay. Next. When one is faced with the unpleasant result of one's actions, it is called facing the music, song, dance, or melody.
Melody.
When one is faced with the unpleasant result of one's action, it is called
melody lock किया जाए.
melody lock किया जाए. Let me confirm. Okay, wait.
melody lock
Logic.
किया जाए.
Which one is this? This is the fourth one. बेटा सॉरी, आप लोगों के सारे पैसे कट गए, 40,000 गए, डूब गए।
म्यूजिक।
Yes, only Iram gets 80,000. Okay, आप सबके पैसे कट गए।
मैम सबके 20,000 पे गिरे हैं।
हाँ,
मैम 20,000 पे गिरे हैं।
20,000 गिरे हैं। अच्छा, आप लोग 20,000 पे गिरे हैं। ओके फाइन। सो
मैम 10,000 पे गिरे हैं।
हाँ 10,000 होता है। द फर्स्ट स्लैब इज 10,000। सो बेटा आप लोग 80,000 से सीधा नीचे आ गए हो। द करेक्ट आंसर इज म्यूजिक। फाइन। It is called facing the music. Okay, very nice. This GK subject is wonderful. You learn so many new things. I didn't know it is music. What is the superlative form of the word important? What is the superlative form?
Most important. Ma'am, most important.
Most important.
Most important.
Most important.
Very nice.
हम लॉक किया जाए।
Log. Very good. Yes. Then, when man is to woman, what is wizard to?
Which? I know.
Ma'am, which? Which?
Okay, सही जवाब। सही जवाब बेटा, सही जवाब।
मैम 80,000।
Yes, 80,000. The collective noun for wolves is collective noun. A pack of wolves. Group. Pack of wolves. Very good. 1,60,000. Okay.
अब 1 करोड़ तक पहुंचेंगे।
Okay, wait. अब next जवाब is for 3,20,000, which you have to be very careful. सीधा 10,000 पे आ जाओगे। No cheating. No cheating.
मैम लाइफलाइन यूज कर सकते
अगर
हैं।
चीटिंग की तो गेम से डिस्क्वालिफाइड। ओके। If you were writing in words, what would be the correct spelling of 40? Yes. Who is going to tell the correct spelling of 40? Yes. Bolo, Iram say. Yes, Iram. Oh my God. पूरी टीम आ गई 10,000 पे। Wrong answer.
FORTY.
लोग किया जाए। आप कोई लाइफलाइन यूज करना चाहते हैं?
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
लाइफलाइन यूज करनी है बताइए। 50-50? ऑल राइट। तो आपके ऑप्शंस हैं FOURTY और FORTY। बताइए। Okay. How many hands for FORTY? FORTY. How many hands? I can see 1, 2, 3 hands. Jayesh, 4 hands. Iram, are you raising your hand? No, Iram's hand is not up. And how many hands for FOURTY? FOURTY. Participants raised hands. Okay. Very nice. Show me this blue hand like this. Show me this blue hand. And how many hands for FORTY? How many hands for FORTY? So the majority is for FORTY, which gives you 3,20,000 rupees. Yes? आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो, आप अगले पड़ाव में जा चुके हैं। अगला पड़ाव 6,40,000 के लिए। यस
मैम चेक तो रह गया। मैम चेक
रह गया।
बेटा जब स्कूल आओगे तो चेक मिलेगा, ठीक है? ओके, फिर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना। Oh, sorry, divide kar lena. In the, okay, next one. Pay attention to the next one. In the word illegally, how many vowels follow a consonant? How many vowels? What are vowels?
There are 3 vowels.
No.
3 vowels.
Read the question. Read the question.
Ma'am, there are 3 vowels.
How many vowels follow the consonant?
Ma'am, 3. Ma'am, 3. Ma'am, 3.
Because 3 is the answer.
3.
Ma'am, 2. Ma'am, 2. Ma'am, 2. Ma'am, 3. Ma'am, 3. Ma'am, 3. Ma'am, 3.
Ma'am, 3.
3 लॉक किया जाए. मैम 2 लॉक इन किया जाए. मैम 2 लॉक. मैम 3 लॉक किया जाए. 2. मैम 3 लॉक किया जाए. मैम 3 लॉक किया जाए.
Now children, listen. Wait. This question is a little tricky. They are not asking how many vowels are there. There are 3 vowels in the word. But they are saying how many vowels are following the consonant. That means how many vowels are coming after the consonant. So the first vowel I is not coming after any consonant.
Yes, ma'am.
So how many vowels are coming after the consonant?
2. 2. Ma'am 2. Ma'am 2 को लॉक किया जाए.
2 को लॉक
मैम 2 को लॉक किया जाए. मैम 2 को लॉक किया जाए.
कर दिया लॉक. What is the plural of commander in chief?
Commander.
Commander in chiefs, commanders in chiefs, commander in chiefs, or commanders in
Ma'am,
chief?
commander in chief. Ma'am, commanders in chief. Ma'am, commanders in chief.
Tell me the option number.
Ma'am, option D. Ma'am D. Ma'am D.
Ma'am, D.
Ma'am D.
How many hands for D?
Ma'am D.
How many of you looked at the back for the answer?
Ma'am
How
C.
many of you looked at the answer at the back? C.
Ma'am, I do.
Jayesh, are you saying it's C option?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Anybody else with any other answer?
Ma'am D. Ma'am D. Ma'am D. Ma'am D.
D.
Ma'am D.
So beta D is the correct answer. D. Because we have to make the commanders in plural. Chief is the position. Commanders in chief. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So many people make a mistake that suppose the plural of mother-in-law. So they will say mother-in-laws. It's not mother-in-laws. It's mothers-in-law. If you want to make the plural of mother-in-law, father-in-law, daughter-in-law, sister-in-law, so what people do? They keep the noun in that position and make the plural of laws, which is wrong. So it is brothers-in-law, sisters-in-law, mothers-in-law, fathers-in-law, like that. So similarly, we have commanders-in-chief.
Ma'am, how many money we
How
won?
much money? How much money we earned?
Ma'am, how much money we won?
Ma'am, 6,40,000.
Huh?
Ma'am, 6,40,000.
6,40,000.
Yes. Ma'am, 6,40,000.
You would have earned 5 crores, but the questions were less. There were only 10 questions, so you earned less. And otherwise, you would have crossed 5 crores also. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you enjoyed this class?
Class is overing.
Yes, ma'am.
The class is getting over.
Only there is less than 1 minute.
Yes, there is less than 1 minute. So in the last minute, let me just tell you that you have to decide